Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I will guide everyone on how to use it to auto-comment on posts that are running ads. Okay, first, we'll need to get an ad post. Here, I already have an ad post ready. You can see it's sponsored. Below, there will be comments here. And we'll take this post to comment on. You select the share option. We copy the link. Access UID to convert it into a UID link. We'll enter the link here. Then save it and click Start. Okay, we have the link now. Check the box, select Copy UID, and go back to the software. Select the comment function and choose Comment. There. Next, select the content you want to comment. Save it. Then next, we'll go by post ID. We'll input its link here. Then save it. Okay, we can add a reaction before posting. Done. Okay, and you click Start. It will be Vu Ti Hong Nyung. There, it's successful now. Let's check the post again. There, it has commented here. There. The comment was successful. There. So that's how we can comment many comments on an ad post. It's suitable for those who want to seed this post. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share. And if you want to own this care tool, please contact me via Zalo or Telegram. See you all in the next video.